Hello beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebor and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's work with our overripe plantain and let's see what we'll get from it. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, so here is my overripe plantain. I've washed it and sliced it. Okay, so let's go to the next step. Here I'm gonna mash it with my fork, so you can also use potato masher for it. Okay, so I'm gonna mash this till it is smooth and I'll transfer it into my bowl. Okay, when you have some children that does not like to eat plantain, these are some of the methods you can use for them to eat it. So next I'll add in my flour, salt, chili flakes, and I'm gonna stir everything together to combine properly. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe and stay connected. Next, I'll heat up my pan and I'll add in little vegetable oil. So we're gonna be frying this. So I'm frying it on a low heat to avoid it from burning. So after frying it for a few minutes, I'll flip it over just the way you are seeing me doing. See, you will definitely love this and your kids are definitely going to love this also. Okay, so I'm gonna cook on both sides and after that I'll remove it from the pan. Okay, so you can flip it over and over again until you are satisfied with it. Next, I'll go ahead to remove it and this is what I got. I'm gonna repeat the process once more and we are done with this recipe. The result was mouth-watering. You'll definitely enjoy this recipe. Share this recipe to your friends and your loved ones, and if you have overripe plantain, please don't trash it anymore because you'll definitely get something sweet from it. So this is my final look. This is looking so good. I love you to try this recipe and let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.